Good morning. I'm sitting out here drinking a little coffee, listening to the traffic. Yeah, I'm not gonna miss that when we leave. But today is travel day. So we have an hour and a half, not very long to drive, but we do have a Walmart pickup this morning. So we won't have a Walmart around us for a while. So I did a little bit of stocking up, planning out some further meals. Speaking of that traffic. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you the park because it's Tuesday morning and it's pretty empty. Yeah. So there's Deborah, and then down there on the end on the left there's a truck camper. That's it in this area. Well, on the other side of the park on this circle there's a van right there. And then out by the lake, I've never seen it so unpopulated. There's a van, a couple of vans, look like an old ambulance, another travel trailer, and that's it. Well, there's another travel trailer, but that's it on this part of the park. Yeah. You know, last year they raised their prices for non-residents for a state park pass to $600. Well, they didn't get that, and they didn't get a full park either. So, I just don't know. I think they shot themselves in the foot. What do y'all think? Yeah. It was packed this weekend. It was Mother's Day weekend, and it was packed, but after that, it's been like this. Sunday night and Monday night. Anyway, and this is one of the busiest state parks in the summer anyway. So the lake's full. It's nice, but I'm ready to leave this traffic. Alright, I'm gonna go get diesel. Deborah already got gas coming into town. We would use my truck to run around town, and so I need to get diesel, and I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up our Walmart orders, and that'll be done. Then I'll come back to the park and dump my tanks, and we'll be on the road. Yeah, isn't that right, baby girl? Isn't that right? Mwah. Sweet girl. Stop it. Let me look. I want to look at all the stuff. I like this Walmart because they have a big parking lot with lots of... See, I'm in slot 19. Good for RVs. Way to go, Walmart, Las Vegas, New Mexico. $119.24. So I did have to go into Walmart because I had 2 substitutions. Sometimes Walmart, I love the Walmart pickup. I'm not complaining, and I get it, but it saves so much time and money. But I had 2 substitutions this morning, and they said they didn't have it, but I have on all my items substituted. If you don't have it, substitute it. So I had wavy potato chips, the Walmart brand. I just substitute it for something else. Maybe they're not the wavy Walmart brand ones, they're the other ones. Anyway, I walked down that aisle because I wanted to pick up paper plates. They did not have the paper plates that I use, the cheapest ones that I could put in my holder. But I did walk down but they could have substituted, and they didn't. But walk down the potato chip aisle. Like, how did they miss that? I don't know. But anyway, I love Walmart pickup. I just, especially on travel days, or when we go to these new towns, because every Walmart is different. So it takes you a little time to find stuff when you walk around. And you have to backtrack a lot, and then stuff just jumps in your basket. You don't even know it until you get home, and you're like, what? I didn't buy those cookies, did I? Yeah. So, love Walmart pickup. And sometimes when you get a little, I don't know why they couldn't have substituted. They did on my bread. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm sure it's the picker's choice. But I did forget something on my list, so I thought, well, I'll run in and get that and get me another bag of chips, because I want chips with my barbecue sandwich. So, got my diesel, headed back to the park. Got to load my chairs and my plants. I forgot about that. Those are all over at Deborah's site. And dump my tanks, and then we'll be ready to roll. Oh, I got to put up groceries first, because I've got some freezer stuff and some refrigeratables. So I've got to put up some of the groceries anyway when I land here at the park. Man, the water is like glass today. And there's going to be no wind traveling today. So I'm excited about that. As much wind as we've had here the last week. Hello, I'm camping on Sammy? Not really sure why they have anybody at the front desk, because they can't look up anything. Welcome to Story Lake. Look at this one. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Pretty, pretty. Deborah doesn't want to leave, so she's going to go over there and park. Not really. She wants to get a picture of Phoenix with that backdrop. It's like, yeah, that water is like glass. It's a nice, it's going to be a nice picture. Yeah, it's pretty. Here she comes. Gotta dump her tanks, and then we'll be ready to go. And we're headed for the hills. Yeah, we're headed to the mountains now. Snow up there on those mountains to the right. Woohoo! All summer. And we're at the Palisades. Yeah, our favorite fishing spot. Wonder if there's any water in the river. I hear it. We shall go see. It's awful clear. Doesn't look very deep. Yeah, this is where we would fish. Sammy? Come on. Get out of the water. Oh, I see a fish. I see a fish. Where's my fishing rod? Are you? Yes, he has.
Where?
He was found in a pond.
Oh, well, that's true. But I meant like good water.
Yeah, like swimming water.
Yeah. really good swimming water, not a refinery retention pond.
Are you gonna go swimming, Finn? That's cold. He says, I like it.
He says, y'all get out of the black mud. Y'all have to get back in the RV.
Yeah, we noticed these trees have been cut down.
No lines tangled up. There's no lines hanging from
Not gonna give us any shade if we do any fishing here.
Hello.
Hello. Sammy, what are you doing? Sam?
Meeting you here.
I know. Yeah. River water. Are you excited, Finn? He says, I love it. He says, let's run. Let's run. Look at him.
Oh my God.
He says, let's go downstream. Let's go downstream. Are you going to jump to the other one?
Yeah. Where are you going?
I didn't know he was such a water dog. You're more of a water dog than Sammy. Look at him run. He says, we need to get you a life jacket, Finn. Are you going down there?
Yes.
He's so curious.
He's like, what the heck is this? This water's moving. I'm going to take him down here and then see what's down here. And then I'm going to do that.
That'd be a good fishing spot right over there. A little deeper.
Yeah, good fishing